Going on, G gang? It's your boy ELREAL'G.PONCE, aka JP, and I'm back with another video, yo. People. What I'm gonna do with these people? Oh, somebody left their bag there. Oh, somebody forgot their bag. They left their shoes, their laundry, everything. Wow, that's sad. I hope they come back and get their stuff, because they left a bag of tools and all there, man. That sucks. Whoever left it there, hopefully, I hope we don't lose some shit. I wonder if that guy got his car open. Dumbass niggas out here, yo. They swear they know it all, yo. That's my word. Hey. They swear they know it all, but anyway, I'm not with it, so I leave it alone. You did. Guys, the last video that I uploaded today, the video that I uploaded today is a video I was trying to improve myself, that I'm getting better at it in my videos, you know what I'm saying? So hopefully y'all understand what I'm saying, and I get them likes. If you like, if I'm improving myself, if I'm getting better at it or what. If not, let me know. Let me know also if I'm getting good at it, if I'm still the same or what. I need your comments, guys, so comment below, don't forget. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff, alright? You dig? Another day, another dollar, holla. Yes, sir. Yeah, summer's here. It's still a little chilly though. Look at how beautiful that grass looks. That's the part. Beauty. I'm wondering what the heck is that? That right there? I'm wondering what it is. What it is. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. How you doing, sir? All right. Hanging in there. Check this out. Construction here in New York City. Man, you can't pay me enough money for me to work out there. Fuck no. That's my life. It's not your life, so I'm not doing it. It ain't my life. It ain't my life. Yeah, guys, so like I was saying, that was an improvement video. I was trying to test my skills, like how to show how I was going in the train, and how I was going, where I got on and where I got off, all that with the music, and then killing the music down and putting the volume up on my voice. Yes, sir. Buen provecho. Dale a los muchachos, ¿no comen? Muchachos. Yes, sir, muchachos. Muchachos, when I get there, look, on my card, when I hit the top, when I make it to the top, yeah, make it to the top.
One more than you tell. Fuck you. What I like about you?
Do ganja.
Ganja?
It smells good. It's the ganja ranja. Ganja da 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 da. Y'all gonna get tired of seeing my face, but like I say, I'm a new YouTuber. I'm learning. Cause I ain't gonna see much until I start traveling. Anyway, I'm gonna get with you guys. Hope everybody have a blessed day. Enjoy it. Love you guys. Remember, real G for life, baby. Let's get it.
Oh, I haven't produced myself. So now I'm on the show and I'm producing.
Boy, baby, look at the birdie. It's probably hurt. Poor baby, man. She's like, hey, I'm famous. I'm famous. Yeah, I'm gonna be in YouTube. He flies, you think?
Yeah, it wasn't hurt him.
You think so? That's a baby though. That's what it is. When they take their first flight, you know? Yeah. That's what he's probably doing. Should I put it over there by the Yeah, but just make sure nobody step on it. I love animals, man.
I think we should try to throw it away and the same.
Look at the baby. You call him mommy. Boy, baby. It's okay. Take care, baby. Oh, there you go. That's mommy. All right, take care. Hopefully the bird found his mommy. Hopefully he found his mommy. God damn, JP. Why you so focused, yo? You focus, yo. La nota, mi hermano, se fue en un over. Esto se fue en un over, papi. Se fue en un over. Over. Oh, but it look like he caught an overdose. It look like he overdosed. He having a nice siesta. All right. Let's get it. Yeah, you see the drip. You see the drip. Drip, drip. Drip, drip, yeah. Drip, 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 drip.